Well, good evening. Williams, Philippines. It's 11 p.m. Thursday, July 3rd, 2025. Yeah, I know it's a little later than normal. Uh, Weird day. Got a lot of things done, though. Uh, but I didn't get the thing I wanted the most done. Apparently, the guy that's supposed to buy my house is, well, he didn't show up to sign the papers. If he doesn't sign the papers, I can't sign the papers. I Could have been worse. Did manage to get some batteries charged. Because apparently you have to be able to power things on if they ask going through TSA. Found something. I mentioned them before. Yeah. I do not like the smell of them. I don't like the way they make my armpit feel. Yeah. I do not recommend them. Arm& Hammer Essentials. I've, yeah, never really had a problem with anything from them before. Till this. It's amazing some of the things that have come out though since I getting older and everybody's diversifying into everything. It is what it is. Anyway, yeah, I've been opening up and repacking and uh, yeah, I think I've got most everything organized. But oh Lord, there's still so much stuff to go. Uh, but I did get in touch with the LCB or LBC, the shipper guy for my boxes because I'm almost ready for them. I don't have to have like a complete inventory, just personal items, bedroom, personal items, kitchen, you know, kitchen tools, utensils, pots, pan. Don't even have to be really that specific. Uh, and that's good. But between getting that done and getting over and getting some food, going over and checking on the guns, ain't sold any more of them. Uh, and I stopped and asked about getting my hat cleaned because, well, it got stuck out in the garage shed and very dusty. And I want to carry my hat with me. So I'm thinking about getting it cleaned. It's doable. So, yay. And I got a couple more things taken care of in the way of trying to get my finances going. Uh, get this people to talk to this people about transferring money between the both of them and another one. But hey, I did manage to get some money sent over to one place and some money sent over to another. Yay. That's a good thing. Uh, it would be nice if the world just ran on barter, but apparently that's not the way it is anymore. Might be why bankers hate farmers. See, when everybody's a farmer and they grow their own food, it's hard to control them with money because they're growing food, money. They talk about there's no such thing as a money tree. Well, there's no such thing as a money tree, but food is money. Food's been money, yeah, forever. Because, well, everybody's got to eat. There's a few things in life, and no, taxes isn't one of them. Although, if you don't pay them, they will throw you in a cage because, well, terrorists with badges thinking that they have the right to terrorize you, steal your money, and throw you in a cage because you don't want to participate in their stupidity. Yep, I find it funny. That might be, yeah. I wore this for a reason. uh, I was swung by and gave some stuff to somebody yesterday evening, and they were something about what's his name, Itty, how he's, yeah, all the crap he pulled. Yeah, I don't keep up with it. I'm trying to avoid even knowing about it. I just don't care. Yeah, P. Diddy. Yeah, that was his name. I barely even heard of him before. Yet here he is in the news, and he's something big going on. Personally, I don't care about him one way or another. Again, not my department. But yeah, found some things. Key to my car, the original one I had, and then that's the one that made all my copies from. And I just set it up in the cup. I knew it was there somewhere. Yeah, and my desk up under there is getting clean again. It's been organized and thinned out and put where it needs to go. And more of it's getting into, well, organizer things here and throw it off into a suitcase or throw it off into a box. Yeah. Got a, well, I have my original and then I had my newer CPAP. And then I got my nose worked on. And my, what do they call that? Sleep apnea went way down. I don't Doesn't affect me near as much as it used to. But part of me wants to carry those over with me because who knows? There might be somebody over there that needs to use one. I don't know. And who knows? I might get worse and need to use one again myself. Yeah. So I'm throwing those in the box. And yeah, tools for maintaining health. It is what it is. But yeah, we always get to, make choices on things. Part of me just says throw them out. The other part, yeah, says, well, those, I may need it. I've needed it before. And being able to have it available would be good. I don't know. But yes, again, I am packing stuff up. Um, I've got, oh God, I've got one completely full packed box sealed up. I've got another box that's about halfway full, and I got another box that's about halfway full. Thinking of binding them so I don't have to ship them, but that puts heavy stuff in with more fragile stuff. And if I'm going to do that, I need to take it, unbox the first one, and rearrange some stuff from it to put some more of the fragile stuff into the safer areas of the first box. And pull some of the stuff that, well, if it gets broke because something shifted, I'm not going to worry about it. It'd be nice to have it, but I'm not going to stress. So, do I try to consolidate, or I'm leaning toward consolidating, but I'm running out of time. That's why I'm worried about this, getting the signatures on this. You know, time's important. There's only so much of it we have left. We don't know how much we've got. So the thing is to live for today and enjoy it. Yeah. Life is fun if you let it be and enjoy living it. But hey, some folks just don't get that. Anyway, I'm trying to get things taken care of, so I'm getting out of here. This is Williams, Philippines, and I'm Fish. Fish is out. Later, blessings. Oh, lots of food, lots of friends, and lots of family. And again, more food. Yes, always more food, okay? Almost forgot. Anyway, I'm Fish, and Fish is out. Later, blessings. Bye bye.